Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review software called Capture.me. It is your code-free productivity dashboard and it is kind of unique software. I didn't see this kind on AppSumo platform, and I must say, well, you can live without this kind of software, but it is really fun to use and it is really has its own useful use cases. So what can you do with that software? You can select part of the screen on any website and then put that into one dashboard. You'll see that in action in a moment, and you will be able to refresh those different parts from different websites on one unified dashboard. So the pricing structure is pretty straightforward. You have two license tiers. With the first one, you have 3 dashboards, and with license tier 2, you have everything unlimited. Okay, so let's go to the demo. So here is the main dashboard, and let's take a look at some of the examples. Maybe you would like to capture this kind of statistics, partially from Google Analytics, something from Salesforce. This is another example of what you can grab just as an idea. Another dashboard, another one. But let's actually create our own dashboard. And before using Capture.me, you will need to install their Chrome extension. So let's actually start using the tool. Imagine we would like to have updates about Bitcoin price. We click on Take Snapshot, then select a particular part of the screen. Select on which dashboard it will appear. It will be on the first one. Let's save the snapshot. This is that easy. Let's add as well Ethereum price. Take snapshot. Adding to the same first dashboard. Alright, here it is, our Ethereum price. Imagine as well you would like to know the weather in Lisbon. Let's capture that as well and put on the same first dashboard. So here we are. We have combined data from different sources, so you get the idea. And to have the data updated, you just click this refresh button. And here it is. We are getting data refreshed across all sources right in the one dashboard. Okay, I see we have the zoom applied not correctly here. Let's actually try to redo that. Let's delete this snapshot. Let's try to take the snapshot one more time. Here it is. Save into the first dashboard. Okay, let's try to refresh one more time. Here we are. Alright, I see it has some issues with this particular website. Let's actually try another website. And let's get the weather from here. Okay, put into the same dashboard. Okay, refreshing one more time. Here we are, the data is being refreshed. I see it is working correctly for CoinMarketCap website. And yep, for this one, it works correctly as well. So maybe for some websites it will not work, but I believe for majority it will. So what else can we do? We can share that link and everybody will have access to this kind of data. Well, one downside that I see that in order to refresh that data, you need to click this refresh all button. That's a bit of a downside, because you can probably put those kind of dashboards on a big monitor in your office or at home. Ideally, it would need to update automatically, but hopefully they will implement this feature. Alright, so that's it for capture.me. Pretty interesting and fun tool to use. To get this deal, please check my link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.